Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and solid earning results from the likes of Microsoft and Honeywell have helped to offset the latest round of tough trade war talk from President Trump, in which he said earlier this morning that he's ready to go with tariffs on $500 billion worth of Chinese imports, saying the U.S. has been taken advantage of for too long. And as you can see, even though that tough trade talk this morning has kind of kept the markets relatively unchanged on the day, and we'll go ahead and start with the S&P 500. And we'll switch this to a weekly chart to kind of give us a bigger picture. And in fact, it's relatively unchanged for the week right now, currently trading at 2,803.04 with a chart analysis score of plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up for the S&P 500 and continuing to move higher. However, our key level to watch will be 2,698.95. Move down below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. And we'll move along to the Dow Jones, currently with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position based on a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle. Currently trading at $25,060.23, up a little over 1/10% on the week, but really not that much movement this week. Key level to watch remains 25,402.83. A move above that level will give us a green monthly trade triangle, indicating a long position for the Dow Jones. Moving along to the NASDAQ, actually relatively exactly unchanged on the week right now, with a chart analysis score of plus 90, indicating that overall a long-term trend is up, just coming under some near-term weakness. Key level to watch will be 7,443.10. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. The dollar index coming under some pressure today from President Trump's remarks, with a chart analysis score plus 70. Currently down about 0.2% on the week. However, if we back this out to a daily chart here, you can see that we did get a new green weekly trade triangle at 95.25, the number I gave you earlier in the week, indicating that we are back in a long-term uptrend for the dollar. But as you can see from this daily right here, down about 0.7% today on the tough trade talks from President Trump. Key level to watch will be 93.44. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Moving along to crude oil, having a bit of a bounce back today, issuing a green daily trade triangle at 68.79 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 66.29. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, pushing back to a short position on the short-term time frame for crude oil. Gold bouncing up a little bit today, gaining about 0.5% on the day. However, the chart analysis score remains negative 90, indicating that a strong downtrend is still in place for gold, and expecting gold to head lower. Key level to watch should be 1,232.20. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold. We'll back out of here and we'll wrap it up and take a look at Bitcoin. Currently down about 1% on the day. Currently trading at 7,384.09 with a chart analysis score plus 60, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin based on the green weekly trade triangle that triggered earlier in the week. We'll bounce this out actually to a weekly chart here, and you can see it's up about 17.8% on the week as it jumped up above that 50-day moving average. Key level to watch would be 6,075.95. Move up below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week.